Hello friends, how are you? Today we're in a greenhouse with clothes, as you see. I'm just showing you now. This is like how they are right now, but we will go inside in greenhouse and I will show you how they are starting before they get to this progress. So I'll just show you inside and tell a little bit about this place. It's for me new as well. So today's visit will be Glow Greenhouse. So enjoy watching. This gentleman over behind the camera there say that just shouting. I can't shout all the time. Come on, man. We're in farm. We cannot do this. So here it is. This is the glows over here. So what they do is, in the first place, is that they are like these are like they do as a plantation. Like they put it, and then afterwards they're giving all the waters and everything, protecting from the cold and all. When the harvest time comes, which is they're cutting all the way from down here, you can see some of the cutting parts. They're just cutting there, and the new ones are coming up here. You can see this here. The new ones are gonna be like there's a many different colors on this place. It's like any color you can think, like white or the red or the rose or the yellow or every color. The gentleman who gives me information about this tell it that what they have it here. So this is the Glow plantation greenhouse. We will go to another places, but I would just want to show you this. What they do is here 7 times harvesting per season, and they're selling actually to England. This one's I just check it out with it, like what we're doing. Is it like domestic or international? And the gentleman behind it said that gonna be sent to England. So you see that's a beautiful, peaceful place. You can hear the birds and everything. Really nice and wow, nice places. Enjoy watching. So we're in the new place. It's Gilbert Daisy, as you see. The many different colors, from yellow to pink, red, and the white and the rose, and look at this, it's beautiful. Wow. And also they're sending these flowers to the Europe, mostly to Holland, the Gilbert daisies. What a beautiful colors. Look at this red and everything. Feels great here. Like, I mean, wow, I'm telling you guys, you should be around here, like this kind of places. Wow. This is of course in Turkey. We have it like this kind of many other places. Oh, check it out. Still in it, still enjoying this place. I'm very glad to be here. Beautiful, very nice. Really like the fresh and so peaceful. You know what? I love it. I love what I do, guys. Thanks for watching. Yeah, keep following, guys. I'm gonna take you many other places. I'm gonna take you the adventure that you've never been in it. So just follow us. We are just that where we were was ready, but now is in the plantation place. This place will be ready from now in like 6-7 months time. Will be ready like on Teacher's Day, or the Mother's Day, or Lover's Day, and every day that they can have it and enjoy these beautiful flowers on their table and make their loving ones feel good about it and everything. Thank you. So we are like going around and showing you all the things that we find it. And here's the aloe cactus. You see, they grow them here. So hot in here, maybe like 50-60 degrees. Oh, you can feel it. You can see my sweat and everything. Look at this, guys. I'm sweating. Like if I stay here 5 minutes, I will be like drilling. I'm going out. Now we're in rose garden. Look at these beautiful roses and everything. They planted this one time, and 7 years they can use this. 7 years. As you see, it's like so beautiful and nice. You can see there's like heaters and everything during the cold nights in the winter that they're heating up and everything, which is try to protect the plants, the roses, before they getting cold and everything. So you see, they did some of the harvest over there. So I will just show you clean cut pieces over there. Still so warm inside. I show you there now. Yeah. So here's the roses here. They're cutting from there and bringing here, and they are preparing to go to the market. is a beautiful, nice. I want to smell one of them. Ah, smells nice, very nice. So now we are another location. There's many other colors. There's a pink one, and here's a red, and there's another color over there, and it's called standard flower. They're the cousins of cowl, so it's like similar to, but oh, they're amazing. It's beautiful and everything. Look at this nice color and all. And to be honest, it smells amazing as well. So hello again. So finally we're in the last place, last station. So which is where we've been before, that I show you all the plants and everything, how they done. And then finally we're in the warehouse. Some of the stuff here, preparing the flowers to send it back to Europe, or some of them to Russia. So here we go. You see that these are going to England, as you see. Every country's wanted a different way their flowers. The first one was for England, and this is for Romania. And the Turkish domestic business people want to have it, like the market want to have this open one, and the Russian market want to have this way, that open and everything. As you see, the way they prepare the stuff, and they're putting into the box, and with the containers, with the cooler. So they're sending. It will be on the market next couple of weeks probably. Enjoy watching. Please, if you have any question about this and everything, just comment it down below, so we'll like to answer you or help you out, whatever question that you have. Thanks for watching. Bye for today, and hope to see you on next adventure.